Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077181 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can go back and you can, if you see retry option, hit retry and then check. If that does not work, you can go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. Run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now let the scan complete. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077181. The link is provided in the video description. Click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. Check your version. So version 25H2 over here in my case. And then open Windows settings. Go to system. Go to about option. And here the system type for me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. So click on download over here. And then you can click on KB5077181 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually and then restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced options, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option. And here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. And once you run it, now you can click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select you have to select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save over here. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and then let this close automatically. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure that this is checked and hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.